Good morning. Welcome to Planet Mojo. Today's task is to get this garbage here in the shelter cleaned up. What I got here is an old outfeed table. It weighs a ton. Down on the bottom, all this construction lumber, some quarter sawn white oak. I got some nice spalted wood there. Don't want to throw any of it out except for them in and outfeed tables. Then I got a bunch of plywood and miscellaneous wood on horses over here, and just stuff that needs to go somewhere else or be organized. So I basically have to pull everything out of here, sweep it out, reorganize the lumber back here. That way I'll be able to get the gator in here for the winter. I also need to get the zero-turn mower in here and a few other machines. That one's getting sold. So a hell of a job today. And then probably tomorrow I'll need to tackle cleaning the shed. So just tons of outside work to get done. Okay, there you have it. All done. That was one hell of a job. I got my dust collector in the shed now. The shed is just a total mess, but I'll be doing that. I think I'll be starting that tomorrow. Cleaning the gator right now, and we're going to be cleaning the zero-turn mower when my daughter is done mowing. Then, as soon as the shed gets cleared out, I got to pull the mower in, do the end-of-year maintenance on it, change the blades, and then we'll pull it right in here. And then the gator goes right here. You've seen that comes in here just fine. And then that's where it'll stay for the winter. So that'll wrap up this video. If you like the videos, please subscribe, click on the update icon, and you'll receive notice when we upload new videos. Thanks for watching, and have a great day.